Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how you can easily set up your company settings in Quickbooks. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is go to top right to settings, and then under your company click account and settings. When you're going to do it, what you can first do is to change company name here, legal name, and EIN. I can simply upload company logo here. So I'm going to add a Baby Yoda. It's one of the best TV shows in my opinion, from Mandalorian. Click save. Okay, so I have a company logo here. I can simply change the company name, legal name, EIN and SSN. You can really choose which one you want. Then you have company type here. You can choose a tax form and then industry that you can add. Then you have contact information here. So company email, customer facing email, where your customers can contact you. You can have it as the same as company email or different, company phone and your website. And then you have address here as a company address. So you can also change the customer facing address and legal address. You can have it the same as a company or a different one. And that's pretty much it, how you can actually do it. So this is how you can change your company settings, or how you can, better say, set up your company settings in Quickbooks Online. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. So again, you go to top right to settings, account and settings, and in company, you just click on the company name or company tab, and you edit everything here from legal name, company name, EIN, SSN, company type, company info, address, and everything. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.